Hey guys, I'm totally raiding Sean's fridge. And I'm hungry. If you want proof, here. There's a bunch of food in here. I'm trying to find something worth eating. I might just take some cheese. Yeah, some cheese, right there. There ain't really nothing else in there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Let's go to the freezer too, dude. Jackpot. Never mind. There's actually nothing good in there. Cheese, mac and cheese sandwich. Finally shredded Taco Bell cheese. Yeah. I've never seen this on YouTube before. Whoa. Whoops. What'd you do?